Alright people, here we are at Karayanagar. In my tour of Jaffna Peninsula, we came to see this beautiful lighthouse. Unfortunately, it's abandoned. This lighthouse is called as Karayanagar Lighthouse. Also, there's another name called Kovilan Point Lighthouse. I'm not sure about it 100%, but I came across that name. This was built in 1916, approximately 104 years ago. The height is 102 feet or 31 meters. The light emanating from this lighthouse was good enough to light all the way up to 11 nautical miles. If you multiply that by 1.8, you get the number of kilometers, approximately 20. So let's go and see this beautiful lighthouse, and we can also see the beautiful Indian Ocean beyond that. Let's walk towards it, people. Alright, let's walk towards this lighthouse. We got to be very careful of the snakes because this Karayanagar is famous for the venomous snakes, so you need to be really careful. And this lighthouse is one of the 25 in Sri Lanka, but only a handful of them are active these days. This is definitely not inactive. This must have been active, I think, maybe 30-40 years ago. Actually, I couldn't find any information on that. But you can see the top part is crumbling down. Alright, this is a close-up view of the Karayanagar Lighthouse or the Kovilan Point Lighthouse. You can see there's a derelict building to the right. I wonder if this was used as part of the lighthouse operation in the old days. Not quite sure about it. Okay, let me zoom in the top part and show you once again. This is the top part. As you can clearly see, it's not in a very good state. Maybe we can go to the base and have a look through that chimney and see how it looks. A real close-up view. You can even see a tree is growing. This is that derelict building near the lighthouse. You can see it's largely crumbling down. But this was the same when I came in 5 years ago in 2015. Beyond this is a Navy camp. You can see their communications tower. This is the bottom half of the lighthouse. You can see the year, the built-in year 1916 engraved on that stone. Let's walk in and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks like when you look at a lighthouse from the bottom through the chimney. This long 102 feet high pillar. You can see those ladders available to climb up, but unfortunately you can see there's so much rust and I don't trust them to hold very much. In fact, we need to move away soon as possible. This is a zoomed in view of the top part. Very sad to see this state. You can see the size of it and the year built. Unfortunately, there are so many cracks on the body of this lighthouse. I hope someone will renovate it and restore it to its former glory. This is the Indian Ocean of Karayanagar Lighthouse. I'm going to give you a 180-degree view. I hope the wind will stay away. You can listen to the sea. Let's move to the other end of the 180-degree angle. The sea is very still, nice and calm, just like my mind right now. Okay, here we complete our 180-degree view. I'm walking along this beautiful beach. There's a nice little bird to the left, if you can see. I wonder if you can hear above the noise of the wind. You can see the communication tower of the Navy camp beautifully now. I'm walking on the other side now. We are actually in Karenagar Island, one of the many islands belonging to Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has approximately 60 to 70 islands, most of which are scattered around Jaffna Peninsula. The biggest is the Delft Island, you might know that, and the furthest located is the Kachathyu, which is almost at the border with India. Okay people, we are signing off from Karenagar Lighthouse.